test drive the 2023 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, front license plate bracket, steel wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Want to make buying your new car faster, easier, and more enjoyable? You've come to the right place. That's because you can now calculate your payments, value your trade-in, and even apply for financing right here through our secure website on every device you use. This simple online experience means that once you get to the dealership, you'll be able to review and sign your deal quickly and more confidently. So give it a try, because it's time to buy cars the new way, your way.